Okay, right. That's
Ан, поделишься?
Конечно, okay, right. So what have you got? Do you know what it is? Sweet. Yeah, it's kind of candy. So everyone, it's a candy cane. Okay, ready? Candy cane, everyone. Candy cane. All right. Yeah, the last one was a Kinder, but it got broken in all the excitement. Okay. So yeah, maybe if you put this here, then you can wrap your fries up. All right. Good. That was it. So let's look at some of our words again. All right. So that's our Christmas game of Pass the Parcel. Okay. All right. Are we ready then? Let's look at some of our words. Who's this?
Elf.
It's an elf. Yeah, good. What does the elf do at Christmas? Yeah.
They help the...
Yeah, they help Santa. Good. Okay. Who's this?
Deer.
A deer. Good. A reindeer. That's right. What does the deer pull? What does the deer pull? Sleigh. Yeah, he flies. Good. And he has bells and he pulls the sleigh. Yeah. They pull Santa's sleigh. Sleigh. Good. Okay. We all know who that is. What's this? It's a fireplace. Good. All right. And why is the fireplace important?
Because the house was cold.
Yeah, for when the houses are cold. What else happens? How does Santa Claus get into the house? Through the chimney, that's right, through the chimney. And through the fireplace. Good, alright. Fire candle. Alright, what's this? It's a stocking, okay? And what do we do with the stocking?
Presents.
Yeah, we put presents in the stocking, alright, good, okay. What's this?
It's a
Christmas tree. Good, okay, like this. Alright, what's this? Bell, alright, Christmas music, alright. What is this? A candy cane, good, a traditional sweet. Okay. And presents, lots of presents, good, okay. Now, I don't think we have any, we have pencils, we need some pencils.
Андрей, смотри.
You've got some pencils, are they here maybe?
Погоди.
I don't know whether
Король снеговиков. Давай вот так вот еще. Да, король снеговиков. Так, все, король снеговиков, всех
there's some pencils, oh sorry, there's some pencils over there as well.
А вы без денег.
Okay, so here, everyone take a piece of paper. Take one and pass it up.
200 рублей.
Дай. Папа, у тебя 100.
Дай.
Okay.
А теперь давайте берите. Бинго!
Ой, снова
No, it's not bingo.
А,
It's a penguin's house, okay? So everybody look.
Я сама знаю, что это делать. О!
Кого ты пришла? Еще
Has everybody got one? Everyone got one? Yeah, good. No? You need one. Okay, so. Okay, I want you to look at this. It says the penguins are pairs, okay? You have a penguin and his shadow. You need to match the penguins and their shadows, okay? Ставить, да? Я думаю, вот. Penguin и его тень. Yes, поставить. Там остается один пингвин без тени. Okay, надо найти.
А я уже нашел.
Alright, okay?
А который без тени, того обводить в кружок?
Yes, that's right. Exactly. Circle the one who has no shadow. Okay, so we're matching them to their shadows. Good, everyone. Match the penguin and their shadow. You ready? Good. Okay, let's give everyone else a chance.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Wait. I'll ask you in a minute. Okay.
It's very difficult for me. Никита. Это очень сложно.
Demon difficult.
Okay. Good. Yeah. So has everybody found the penguin? Which penguin is it? Show me.
It's a string.
This one in the middle. Yeah. Good. Okay. This little penguin. Now. Here are the names of different types of penguins. Okay, so it's a word search. You need to find the names of these penguins in the penguin's tummy. Okay. Alright, good. So we've got one type of penguin. Alright, so you need to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 penguins' names. And whoever finds it the fastest gets a chocolate.
Chocolate.
Who finds them first gets a chocolate. Okay?
Я уже одно нашел.
Okay, so we need 8 penguins.
О, я двух нашел. О, я нашел макароны. Где макароны? Ага. Эй, это вообще наглый, да? Да, он совсем наглый. Ты что вы смотритесь? Они все подсматривают у нас.
И что вы коллективом делаете?
Ну и что? Мы же друзья.
И что? Мы тоже. Мы тоже друзья.
Так делайте
Alright,
коллектив.
come on, let's see if you can find it. You can do it together. Friends.
Смотрите. Где Галапагос? Галапагос, вот я Галапагос. А можно пойти брать?
Sure, like, yeah, of course. Yeah, that's fine. You can still see. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, it tells you which ways you can do it.
Эй, не подглядывайте.
They go up, down, yeah, across, diagonally, and backwards. Yeah, every way. Okay?
Так. Так нет, так фейри. Фейри, найти кино.
Okay. What are you doing?
Последний фейри. Фейри. Мэри. Где фейри? Где фейри? Фейри. О, нашел фейри? Где фейри? Я нашел уже. Где фейри? Фейри нет. Я нашел все.
You done? Okay, let's have a look.
Где тупой фари?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Где фари?
Excellent, all right, we have a winner. What's your name?
Никита.
Nikita, right, Nikita is a winner.
Где фари? Покажи.
Okay, well done, I've got another chocolate somewhere for you.
Мы занял место 10.
Hang on, forget. Sorry. Hang on 1 second.
Вот видите, вы друзьями делали, а он Никита сам додумал.
Он у нас подглядывал.
Вы тоже у него подглядывали.
Так что?
Ready? Winning the...
Не может быть. Смотри, шаманская сумка.
There you go. Okay, you get those 3. Alright, okay, we're winning the prize. Alright, that's it then, guys. So,
Опера нашел.
Can you share with me?
at home, look, you can draw some penguins onto your snow as well if you want to. It tells you how to draw a penguin, the body, the eyes, the beak, okay? So that's, you can take it home with you, okay, and finish it there. Oh, well done, good, all right, all 8. So these are all different types of penguins, da? Razные pingvini, Annie. Alright, so now we're going to have some tea, I think, yeah? And chocolate, alright? Ну вот и все, когда нашли, вот, ага, молодец. Это все, сейчас, наверное, мы будем пить чай, да? Там конфеты и все. Так что, Happy Christmas!
Happy
Happy
Christmas!
Christmas, everyone! Okay. And well done for playing Pass the Parcel, okay? Да, и если хотите, там дома можно добавить пингвини.
О, я сейчас нарисовала.
Alright, good, okay, let me have a look. Let's see.
You're right.
Ah, yeah, okay, good, I like it.
You're right.
You've done one, okay?
Нам есть куда нести?
Alright.
А, еще руку.
Cheese.
Okay, so I'm going to find out about the tea.
Ребята, я вот такую вещь подумала. Говорят, сыр.